got a screw loose. But for those of you who've been watching my videos for a while, you probably already knew that. But seriously, I got a screw loose right here in my kitchen cabinet. I fixed this a few times, but it keeps coming loose. I think the holes wore out. So I'm going to try the toothpick method. They say if you stick a toothpick or a piece of wood in the hole and then put the screw back in, it'll stay nice and tight and you won't have any more problems with it. So let's give it a try. All right, so I'm going to stick this toothpick in here and then I'll just break it off and then we'll see how it does. You want to make sure you get your cabinet in position before you tighten it up. So I got it pushed up there. Looks a little bit low, might have slipped on me a little bit. So all right, now we'll try it. That looks pretty good. So what we're looking for is to make sure the handles line up there. They look pretty even. Make sure this lines up here and that lines up there. And the important thing is, this isn't rattling around anymore. These probably came loose up there too, so we'll give them a tighten and see how they are. Just going to use a handheld screwdriver here. I don't want to over tighten anything. Just a little bit to snug it up. Don't want to risk stripping these. I might need a step stool. Maybe if I get up on my tippy toes. Yeah, these are pretty snug. They didn't take much, so if I have any more issues, I can put the rest of the toothpick in those other holes. There you go. That's how you use a toothpick for a quick fix. So nice to have a cabinet that closes now without that hinge rattling around. All right, thumbs up for the toothpick fix.